Help? You want me to help you? Help you. Max, do you remember winter last year? Do you remember when it was cold? Do you remember winter?
No.
You don't? Whoa. Who'd you meet yesterday? Did you meet Manny yesterday? Manny, yeah. Is Manny Dee Dee's neighbor? Manny.
Hi.
Did you say hi to Manny? Did you say hi, Manny? Dee Dee's neighbor? Did you see Papa yesterday?
No.
No? Didn't you spend the day with Papa?
No.
Did you see any kitty cats yesterday? Help? Okay, I'll help. You're like, stop filming and start helping. What are you doing? Are you shoveling? Shoveling? Do you know how to shovel? Ooh, that was close, wasn't it?